Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by building the container that will hold everything. Create a parent frame and define its width and height, then add a horizontal auto layout for the tab bar with padding 8 and spacing 12. Make 2 or 3 basic tab buttons now. Add text layers, background fills, and a 1px border radius so they visually read as buttons. Once done, convert one button into the active state by changing color and weight. This will be your reference for variants. You now turn buttons into a single component and add variants for active and inactive states. Name them clearly so you can switch easily. Next, create separate content frames that correspond to each tab and either use component properties property. Selected, to swap content or connect via prototype interactions to change visible frames on click. Make instances of the tab component on artboards and set resizing constraints so you finish by wiring interactions. For each tab, add an on-click that changes the component variant or navigates to its content frame. Choose Instant for snaps or Smart Animate for smooth transitions. Then test in present mode and validate focus, keyboard tab order, and responsive resizing across breakpoints. If things go wrong, inspect layer stacking, ensure constraints are correct, and confirm variant property names match your interactions. Make small fixes, retest, and lock finalized components to prevent accidental edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.